Are you down? Is it a job you didn't get? A relationship that ended, or a rejection that really cut deep into you? You're not at the end, you're at the beginning of your comeback. Welcome, wise warriors, to where average ends and wisdom begins. Here are 10 wise steps, not to just bounce back, but to rise stronger with more wisdom. Step 1. Acknowledge the pain but don't live in it. Don't hide from it. Admit it happened, but don't let it control you. Step 2. Reframe the failure. One rejection doesn't define your value. You are bigger than that rejection. Step 3. Stop the self-attack. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are a warrior. Step 4. Reclaim your story. Write a new narrative, one where you are the hero. Step 5. Take one small action, today. Don't wait until you feel ready. Confidence is built in action. Step 6. Surround yourself with fire. Avoid critics and doubters. You need cheerleaders. Step 7. Master your morning. Start your day with power. Speak affirmations. No scrolling, no negativity. Step 8. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Did you try? That's courage, that's growth. Honor your effort. Step 9. Visualize your victory. Close your eyes and see yourself succeeding. Feel it, believe it, and it will happen. And lastly, step 10. Keep going. When doubt creeps in, and it will, remind yourself, I've survived 100% of my worst days. I can do this. The best is still ahead. Remember, wise warriors, every champion has a story of rejection. So stand up and take that first wise step right now. Go prove it. Drop a fire in the comments if you're ready to rise. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because your comeback starts today. Remember, wise warriors, setbacks don't break you, they build you. Till next time, the wise don't wait, they rise.